Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the Dyrt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on account at the top and click on edit profile, which is the first option within the account settings section. Here you can change your name, then you can add your email address, you can write a few words about yourself into the bio section. You can also set your location and select the camper type. So here you can tap on the boxes that you would like to select. Then you can add your social networking sites such as Twitter, Instagram or website, and when you are done, click on the Save Changes button down below so that your profile will be updated. That's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.